Hello, this is our second episode.
Yeah, and my dad got some this and I got
What is it?
milk.
Huh?
Milk.
Why won't you read it? You keep on guessing.
Jack's Coco.
Jack's Coco!
Actually, I have a truck.
Oh, you show them your truck. Why did Daddy give you a truck?
Because I take care of money, I don't. Because I'm doing well at school.
You want?
Hey guys, go.
Wait, speaking of school, do you miss going to school?
Yeah.
What do you miss most about going to school?
My classmates.
Yeah, who is your favorite classmate, Lara? Who is your favorite classmate?
Yana.
Huh?
Yana.
Yana. Oh, Yana. Yana?
Yana.
Ah, Brian.
Hi. Let me help.
Is that how you do it?
No. I think you have to drink it like that.
Good.
Guys, go.
A mess. Anyway. Have you done?
Actually, I have our except for this. How about
What? This one? Wait.
how about
How about
how about this?
it? No. So what is that about?
Ryan's mystery big egg.
And why did Daddy bought you that?
Because I'm doing well at school.
Yeah.
Let's check what's on.
Jared he got the silver award.
Let's see what's on top. I hope it will be good. It's a trading card.
You don't have to shout. Shout.
It's stickers.
Points.
It's stickers. Combo crew.
Right. Now we already know what Jared has in here. So I do have questions for my son. This is the second episode of One-on-One with my son. Alright. It's been a while since I've seen you.
Yeah,
Almost
do
1
you
month.
remember the Charizard?
Yeah, the Charizard. How is Charizard, by the way?
He's not okay.
Are you sure? Okay. So, what's her name? Brianna? Who is Brianna?
My classmate.
And why is she or he? A girl. Okay. Why is she your favorite classmate? Sit down properly.
Because sometimes when something's missing, when her things that she's missing on the school, I get it and give it to her.
Oh,
And she
like what?
hugs me.
Oh, maybe she thought that you're really nice because you look out for her. No?
Papa.
So what are the things that she's losing?
She's using erasers and sometimes
She's losing her mind?
and at school she's drawing some stuff. Sometimes
What kind of stuff? Funny stuff?
but there's one. She draws a A Chinese cat.
A Chinese cat?
Yes.
How do you know the cat is Chinese? What's the last name? Chan?
What?
What is the last name?
Kaylee.
Oh?
Kaylee.
Kaylee cat?
Oh, the cat? And then was the name. She just
How,
named it.
how do you know it's Chinese?
Because I know different types of cats, of course.
Oh, you really? So you know a Chinese cat from an American cat? What's the difference?
Different colors.
So you say if in America it's cat, in China what? Chan?
Ano yun? So what do you do to open that?
I don't know. Anyway, what do you miss most about school, Jared?
And you can just drink there.
Yeah, what do you miss most about school? You like going to school?
Papa,
What do you miss most about going to school?
learning.
No, seriously, what do you need? What do you miss most?
Learning.
Sit down properly. Why
Learning.
not sit down properly? You want to learn more,
Opo.
and at the same time playing, right? Playing in the. That's what it's all about. It means to say that they want you to enjoy while you are learning. Because if you don't enjoy what you're doing, where's the fun of that, right? What, you're studying because daddy told you so?
No.
So you are,
I told you to have some fun.
yeah, and that's why playing is part of it. Okay, so even though when you grow older, and then there are no more playing, that's fine because you already learn how to have fun. Okay, son, you always have fun when you're doing something. Huh? If you're having fun on whatever you're doing, believe me, you're gonna love what you're doing. Alright? Just like you told me you want to be a, what do you call it, a miner?
Opo.
Why you want to be a miner? Why you want to be a mineral?
So that we can find iron, bricks, amethyst, even more, even crystals, emeralds, different types.
Why?
So that if we don't have those, we're gonna make the bracelets. I'm gonna make of the girl's ear.
Earrings.
Opo, earring.
Only for the girls? How about for the guys? Do the guys need jewelry? Like emerald, ruby, diamonds? Do the guys do that too?
Yeah,
Where do they put it?
in the back.
The diamonds? They put it on watches. They put it on rings. Sometimes they put it on earrings. Okay, mostly for the guys, they always wear diamonds or gold. But for the girls, diamonds, pearls, emeralds, rubies. Yeah.
Opo. Daddy, how many people are in the Philippines? Ooh,
A lot.
like how many?
A lot.
Number.
I don't know. I don't know the exact number how many are we in the Philippines.
What happens if you put all of the water and earth to the sun? Does it go bigger or smaller?
It's going to be smaller because I know, for example, we are in SM Bacoor now. SM Bacoor is the sun. Okay, for example. And then, the people around you, we, they are the earth. So how many earths are there to fill up the sun?
A billion.
See? Is SM Bacoor full of people already? Not yet, right? Because there's still some space of walking. It means to say, you need a lot of sun for you to feel the earth. You need a lot of people